Hi, I'm Sally Cater, and today I'm going to talk to you a bit about a course I've designed for coaches called ADHD in Focus for Coaches. So, what are we going to do today? I'm going to tell you what it is, who it's for, what you'll learn, and how it's going to help you and your clients, and the logistics and pricing of it. So, what is it? Well, it's an ICF accredited course for qualified coaches, and I've designed it to help you deepen your knowledge about ADHD and share with other coaches and explore what that then means for your coaching. We're also going to look at how ADHD might show up in the workplace, and then we're going to take that information we've gathered around the psychoeducation of ADHD, how we've looked at coaching in the workplace and tripartite relationships and signposting, the different things that we need to think about when we're working with a client with ADHD. And then we're going to use that lens to look at our coaching practice and develop a deeper understanding and help you to show up well for your clients with the ADHD. So who's it for? Ultimately, it's for your clients. But in this instance, what I mean is it's for qualified coaches, and you may have clients that have shared with you that they have ADHD. You might be keen to understand what ADHD is and actually shut out some of the noise around ADHD and understand it from a science-based point of view. You might want to explore how it's going to impact your coaching, and you might have a personal interest in ADHD. I know I did when I realised I didn't know enough about it and had a client with ADHD. And I also think, particularly through talking to other coaches who are coming on course, saying that they would really want to develop a peer group that's got a shared experience around what ADHD is and how it impacts their coaching. So that's who it's for. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn about what ADHD actually is and how it's diagnosed, but not just how it's diagnosed. There are other non-diagnostic criteria and symptoms that are important for you to understand. It's very variable, so understanding how it might show up for your client and how they might be affected by it. When to signpost and what different things you can do in that area, and what it might mean for your coaching practice and what you need to consider when working as an ADHD coach in the workplace, how to design tripartite agreements, and how your peers approach coaching with this lens. So, and also to find different and new ways of coaching. So maybe using different tools than you're already used to, or you might bring tools to it to talk to other people about. So that's what you're going to learn. And how is it going to help you or your clients? Well, it'll give you more confidence. I know that as I've developed greater understanding around ADHD, that's really helped me to understand my clients better. And it's given me more confidence. You'll have that peer network. You'll gain 20 CC credits for your ICF accreditation. And I guess you'll create a common language with everybody about how you understand your clients. And it will stretch and deepen your empathy for your clients. So that's how it's going to help you. And then finally, logistics and pricing. So it's a 5-week program. There'll be 3 hours live online each week. There's going to be a choice of daytime or evening cohort, depending on what works best for you at that time. We'll keep this learning group small because we want it to be a shared experience where you are talking with other coaches, going into breakout sessions and working with other coaches. So we'll keep the learning group small, 12 maximum, and you'll get your certification at the end of it. And you're going to get all of that for £795. And we haven't got the first date because we are still waiting for the ICF accreditation, but it's coming. We know it's coming, and the dates will follow shortly afterwards. So if you want to get in touch with me, there's my email, sallycatercoach@gmail.com, and we can have a chat about it and see if it is the right sort of course for you. So that's the end of this explainer. It's taken me just under 5 minutes to explain it to you. So if you've got 5 minutes and you want to have a chat about it, then you'll have invested 10 minutes of your time and you may learn some great new stuff about ADHD. Thank you.